Today I got a couple tips I want to share with you that can make your oil changes on your vehicles a little bit quicker and easier. It kind of helps with the organization of doing your oil change, so you got the right tools and you got the right parts. My first tip is tear off the lid off your oil filter boxes and write down what vehicle that oil filter is for, and put it in a safe place so when you need to go pick up an oil filter, you got the part number there. Say like you just want to order on Amazon in bulk, or you just want to go into Walmart and not have to dig through a catalog, or you go into the parts store and you don't want to have to wait on the kid behind the desk to take his time to look it up. If you just got that part number, you can go pick it off the shelf, buy it, and get out the door. I also did that with an air filter too. You can do it the same way. You see, all the vehicles I got that I'm servicing in my family's fleet, I got the part numbers for all the filters. And my other tip for you is knowing the right wrench, the size wrench you need for your oil drain plug on your engine. Say you got a few vehicles in your fleet that you have to change the oil in and service, and every one of them, like every vehicle that's in my family's fleet, every one of them's got a different size oil drain plug. You can find you a spot under the hood somewhere that's maybe out of the way or somewhere that you'll remember, and just write down that size so when you go to pop the hood next time, you can see what size wrench you need for your oil drain plug and go grab it, instead of trying to remember it, get up under the car and it's the wrong size and you got to get back out from under it, go find another wrench. Every vehicle that's in the fleet that I change oil in has a different oil drain plug size. On this Ford Explorer, I just put it right here to where I can see it when I first open the hood. The hood's shut, you ain't gonna see it. But if you don't want it out in the open like that, you can find like an inconspicuous place, like on the side of the fender wall or somewhere, to write it down. So them are my couple tips for you today on making your oil changes a little more organized when you get ready to do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.